So guys, we are done with this place. Now we are going up again. Yeah. I know. I know that she is very scared. Guys, I wonder why this pipe is behaving like that. I wonder. Pambo, let me see what they saw this side. Guys, let's check this fall from the upper side. Hey! Unaweza kuja. Kuna another gem here. Wow guys. So this is the upper side of the fall, right? So when you are here, you can see, because we came from that point there, and the fall. Here is the fall. This is where the water is flowing through, eh? Yeah, sure. And this is an amazing scenery, guys. You see how the forest looks like, eh? This is how. And there is something that I want to see here. Oh, now I understand, guys. Now I understand. You see there? That's where the water that is being used in the castle, it is moving from here. You see? They have captured it from there. It flows this way, and it will go that way. The pipe that I have shown you, the upper side. Yeah. So that's where that water is coming from. So they are using gravity. Wow. Wambo. Okay, I don't know where she went. I don't know whether she went back or where she is. Wambo. You left me. Why did you left me? Aruna. Okay, nimeona mahali wametega hiyo maji. Guys. Wow. It's tiresome, wallahi. And I have a headache, a serious headache. Here is Madam Wambo. Where? Hey, that's the work of the Runa. Runa!
Let's go.
Hii place inataka mtu akiwa amekula ugali ya 2 kgs na nyama kilo 5. Because the way Shangi is feeling right now, what? Nikonja. Huh? Nikonja. Na siwezi karanga. Are we about to get up? Oh, yeah, we are. What? What? Adau, no other words. Eh? If you want to come here, make sure umekula ugali kilo 3 na ukashiba. Because to climb that hill, it's not a joke. And here we go. Eh? Here we go to see the sunset. Eh? Oh yeah. Kofiti. Yani, mimi nienda hiyo place yote na mwezi subscribe. Why? Why? Eh? Kaidre mfanye the necessary. And here we are back. And guys, the sunset. The sunset. Gonna be perfect. There we go. We are back to the casa. So you can see, you can camp. There's some people camping there. Yeah. Guys, I'm already sweating. I'm already sweating. Huh? Already sweating. But it was a good day. I enjoyed. Now we are about to experience the sunshine from these sceneries. Hope you are ready, guys. Hope you are ready to enjoy. You see how the sun is bursting on my face? Eh? It's bursting. Eh? Your guy is working hard here to do content for you. So if you have not subscribed, do the necessary. Yeah.